Welcome back to Budget Boxer. Today we're unboxing and looking at the Sony A7 IV. So first we're going to remove everything from the box and then open them up. First thing you'll notice is that it comes with a USB-C cable, so it's good to see that we should have high-speed data transfers. The power brick that it comes with is 7.5 watts, so it's not very fast, but it's faster than the old 5-watt one. The battery is around 2200 milliamp hours. The lens that it comes with is a OSS 28 to 70 millimeter, and what's interesting about it is when you zoom it doesn't actually expand that much, so it's pretty small. The camera feels great. It's on the heavier side for a compact mirrorless camera, but it is full frame, so it was expected to be larger than the A6500 that I had previously. The buttons feel a lot more premium, however, and there are much more dials that I can use to set up the manual shots. The only interesting thing I found about it is that the video mode is a separate lever that you can switch. There are a lot of ports on the left side, and on the right side you can put a CF or SD card and 2 different SD cards, which is really cool. So that's about it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I will.